I'm starting. I'm going live. Woo! Spoody fooey. We need to put that Minecraft music. You know what I'm saying? Let's see where. You know what I'm saying? Let's play that. Welcome back. I started a live stream already. You slow ass.
Yeah, bro, you're too late.
You're too late. Did you grab your popcorn?
Bro, he's already going offline.
Yeah. did you grab
I'm already?
Did you grab your popcorn shit?
No, I grabbed my bread.
Yo. What's up, Pig? Pig is here already. Sure.
Okay, maybe not once now. Only pitch black.
That's usually how it goes. Let's see. I'm fast, boy. Yeah, you are fast. Let's see. Like that, and let's see if I can get the. I think I got the StreamFIghter there. Boom. All right. I think we got everything ready. There it is. Crazy. All right. Yeah, I'm switching my schedules a little bit. Oh, I forgot to take the chats. Okay, I will put back idle. Hello, Peppa. Let's see. Let's see. What am I doing? I'm going to the wrong places. I'm going to Africa and China, but I'm not supposed to go there. I'm supposed to be here. Alright, I think now. Now Peppa Pig. Oh shit! I never thought about it. You guys are basically Peppa Pig.
Bro, I've said it like 20 times. Bro.
Yeah, I have. Oh, my bad. I.
No, I have.
You have? Damn.
Every single goddamn stream I say Peppa Pig.
I never saw them in, you know, like consecutive after one another, you know, in sequence. I always thought you had a pause in between, you know?
No.
Oh, okay. But you do know.
Well, now I know, but
Yeah.
no.
Today happened that I twist my ankle. Sure! I will redirect you to somebody who cares. Harold, you're on the line.
Hi. Well, what am I supposed to do?
Twist his ankle.
Suck it down.
Damn. On P. You twist your ankle on P? That's crazy, bro.
Damn, that's a slippery pit.
That's next level, I'm telling you. I think I always have to run a test on the Twitch chat and the YouTube chat before I start anything, because I need to make sure that they are. The YouTube should be connected though. Let's see, where am I? When am I being spawned? It should have passed 10 seconds by now. There I am. Woo! Last 2 years of school, yay! Amazing. Alright, let's get this SpaceTimeDB up and running. To develop SpaceTimeDB local, you will need to run standalone version of the server. Install SpaceTime. Done. Run start command. Maybe I will take this over to the terminal. Done. Bruh.
Done.
So listen to port default customize. Okay, you can change the port. Standalone mode will run in foreground. SSL is not supported in standalone mode. Shit. That's okay. What's next? Log into SpaceTime. SpaceTime authenticates users using GitHub login to prevent unauthorized access, e.g. somebody else pushing over your module. Log into SpaceTime using... This will open a browser and ask you to log in via GitHub. If you forget this step in any command that requires login, will ask you to log in when you run. Okay, I cannot probably run in the same. Now I'm getting hacked, guys.
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
Already.
I'm probably gonna leak something, so... Okay. Look at that! Woo! Sure! Alright.
Yo, guys, I got matrices working.
You got matrices working? Yo, what's up, Cheesecake? Why SpaceTimeDB, Lucas? It's, I think you need to watch a video about why it, but it's basically... You can run it Yeah, T-Chef is here. That's right, and he's
What?
he's working on Vulkan. You know, I'm so jealous that he gets to do on Vulkan, and I have to work with a pixel buffer. Like that's so unfair.
I'm happy that I'm not working with Vulkan.
Oh, you know what SpaceTimeDB is? Great, so you know why we're using it. Because we want a database, we're gonna make multiplayer, you know? So we're gonna have the database keep track of states that the players interact, and you can see where players are in the world. That's why we have the WASM and everything else set up, you know?
Okay, guys, I gotta go now because I gotta train pool.
Sure. Alright.
Okay. See ya later.
See ya. Good luck with
allocator.
your pool.
Allocator is fire.
See you later with that
Okay,
reallocator. Bye bye.
See ya.
Hello, Chauhan. Why do I always say your name wrong? Yes, but you don't need a database if you're not making an MMO.
We are though.
It's kind of like getting towards that. Like, it's not right now, of course, we're not gonna make that. But it's kind of like I want to know because
We're actually gonna make the next RuneScape, but it's gonna be 5D, 20k
5D?
textures, 3D, all the shaders you can imagine.
It's gonna be running
The map's gonna
Vulkan.
be 10
but on the
billion
web.
kilometers. Hell no. That is called web GPU, bro.
No. We're implementing Vulkan on the web right now.
Actually impossible though.
No, we will make requests to your graphics card through the web.
Right.
With it supports HTTP protocol, right?
Yeah, for sure.
The game is not getting massively multiplayer. No, it's probably not. But we still wanna use it. It's
I don't know who we are.
This is like again, it's not to make something like it's just to learn tools. It's exploring different ideas. There is nothing else to this project at the moment.
Really?
Yeah. Servers for this game can run on a microwave. Probably. See below for quick start guide to both client and server module language frameworks. Alright. It probably SpaceTimeDB is a weird thing to learn. That's what I mean. Yeah, no, but it is a thing that we once we actually get to making like multiplayer games, which I consider this one like the best database to use for that purpose. Right now.
You consider, man, you never used this shit.
But you know, you have to do stuff in order to gather data.
No.
What the fuck? How do you gather data? Still hot.
For the power of friendship.
You have French?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn!
For the power of French fries.
Damn. Wait, there is only C# and Rust server modules, so that's a bit of a yikers. Do I actually have to go and learn Rust now? Is this the only choice I have? I have no other choice than to learn Rust. I could do it in C#, but at this consideration seems like Rust would be the optimal way to go. How would you even use it? It's only Rust and C#. No Zig or even C. Yeah, I know. It's fucking crazy. I have no idea how to get started on this, to be honest. The fact that it does not have a C header is very concerning. Yeah, that's actually pretty true. Yeah, don't use it. No. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it out. And I will. Hello, pro the best home. I'm enjoying your stream, by the way. Oh, thank you. Have you posted it in the Kick Fam Discord server yet? Solid way to get more views and followers. No. But I'm fine. I just stream.
Say when you're fine, but you're not really fine.
Yes. Is your GitHub profile photo of yours?
No, it's actually his mother.
This is actually bruh. This is actually a this is actually a picture of my mom's son. Oh wow, you can barely see it. Yeah, that is basically a picture of my mom's son.
Sure, buddy.
The son is me. I'm funny. I know I am. Can you tell me which data management software or even anything else could I use to store user data and bot data for a very small project? I don't want to go to get it. Wait, what? Which data management software or even anything else I could use to store user data and bot data for a very small project? I don't want to get to text file. I'm 1 year older than you? How the fuck do you know that?
Because we know that you're 7 years old.
Ah, well that makes sense. But I'm thinking of using CSV and pandas library. Like, if you don't need any crazy amount of data, I don't think it really matters what you choose. Just go with something convenient. Like, if you're not concerned with anything else than just storing data, and it's not something like huge, like, I don't know, you don't really need. You could literally use a text file or an Excel or, well, CSV is also fine. Probably the best alternative of all of those, but this chat server, the SpaceTime module, SpaceTimeDB module is code that gets compiled to WebAssembly binary and is uploaded to the SpaceTimeDB. This code becomes server-side logic, SpaceTime rational database. I wonder, now it would be nice again to have contact with Hans, because he's kind of like this main visionary guy who wants to try these things out. I'm just like, that sounds cool, and I'm just curious about how these things would work together and how what you could do with them. But I'm like, I don't really know, like, yeah, I want to store all the songs list with some attribute which I could find online for copyright free. I think this would be fine. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, you could also just, if you want to go a little bit, you could use a Postgres database as well. But that would take some more time to set up and everything. A CSV file, you just parse the file, and I think if you don't have like millions of songs, you're fine. Like even like a few 10,000, maybe 100,000, you should still be fine. I think. I have no proof of that. Let's see. Each SpaceTime. I think we will go with Rust. I will learn some Rust now. How about that? Modules. Well, it's that or C#.
Also, Kiss is gonna come after you.
And I kind of wanna try Rust, you know, see how Rust works. I haven't touched that.
It doesn't.
Okay, crazy. Yeah, I could use SQL if the bot ever gets good attention. Yeah. Yeah. Module defines a set of tables and set of reducers. Each table is defined as Rust struct annotated with hashtag table name. An instance of struct represents a row and each field represents a column. By default, the tables are private. This means that they are only readable by the table owner and by the server module code. The table name public macro makes the table public. The public are readable by all users but can still only be modified by your server module code. A reducer is a function that traverses and updates the database. Each reducer calls runs in its own transaction and it's updated to the database are only committed if the reducer returns successfully. In Rust, reducers are defined as functions annotated with reducer and may return result with error return aborting the transaction. Okay, install SpaceTimeDB. If you haven't already, by installing yes. Install Rust. Okay, that I have to do. Is there like already like is it in the can I get it from the Pacman? Or is there only through the command line? Installation here. Recommend if you native installation. Recommend if you only use Rust for running or installing software made with Rust. The Rust installation recommend if you program anything in Rust. Oh. No Rust censored. we'll use it for the server side. The client we could still use like TypeScript just to make it even more cursed.
Bro.
This project started out pretty cool, you know, with Zig, and now I'm ruining it.
That's just a language mumbo, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm gonna type to Doxoki saying you're learning Rust. He'll join the VC as soon as I, like, even before I send it.
You know, he has removed all socials for a while, except for WhatsApp, just to like, he has a secret project ongoing and he's trying stuff out. So he even like just before you're typing that message, he will install Discord back and be here. Like, what the fuck?
Yes. Can I guess his phone number? I gotta tell him, man.
No, you just have to type the Discord out to him, and he will install Discord because he senses something is wrong. Something is wrong in the force. What does they say in the Star Wars? Like something is imbalance. The force is in balance or whatever, you know.
No, they say the Lucas is imbalanced.
The Lucas is imbalanced. I mean, to install the latest version of Rust of the Linux software package to install the Rust package. This will install the Rust compiler. I think I already got this though. They do recommend though to use the Rust up. Nah, I think I will just do sudo pacman.
No, you should use Rust up.
What the fuck is Rust up anyways?
It updates your Rust. Kinda like any Zig.
But why not? Bruh. Okay, they tell the same thing over here as there, over at the page. So it doesn't really matter.
Curly is probably the worst package, well, not in package manager, but like the worst thing ever for apps, but you know, it's fine.
I like to install a lot of things through curl. Curl is nice.
No, curl is shit, bro, because shit ends up everywhere and it's hard to remove and, you know.
Curl is nice.
No.
Oh no, cannot install while Rust is installed. What? But looks like you have an existing installation of Rust at user bin. It's recommended that be the primary Rust installation, otherwise you may have confusion.
Use presenter.
I have to say yes or no.
No, you just have to press enter.
No, it says continue. Yes.
You
No.
see the no. You see in Linux, when it is like yes/no, the letter that is uppercase, that's the one that is automatically chosen if you just continue.
Ah, okay.
Which that is uppercase N, so it's no.
Crazy. Well, I don't think I have Rust up, but I do have Rust.
Just do Rust up.
Do I have Rust up?
Not do Rust up.
I don't have Rust up.
Okay.
Yeah. But I do have Rust. I think it's fine. Create a new
Great.
create an enter directory quick chat. So I'm gonna make a chatting service now to my thing. Amazing. Let's do that. Let's see. We'll go to projects, YouTube, Zig, and I don't know. I will probably just make it here. Can I do that at the same time? Yes. Perfect. How to compile? You cannot use the traditional cargo build to build SpaceTimeDB modules. Keep this in mind when you're using IDE that assumes using cargo for build. How we just initial SpaceTimeDB modules /server. You want to ask a technical question from me? Uh-oh. Now I'm gonna get exposed. Now go ahead, ask. I don't know if I can answer it though, but... Where the fuck did that... Oh. What? Yeah. Product successfully created at Path server. Amazing! What do we have in here? We have source. Sure! Spacetime build. Error wasn't 32 unknown target. It's not initial. Please install it. The fuck is that kind of target? What is wasn't 32 unknown target is not installed. Please install it. What the fuck?
Yes. Welcome to Rust.
Can we run all binary file like piece of code directly on Windows and Linux? Because after all, it's lowest level.
Wasm?
No. No. It's a question.
You got to run it through Wasmer.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about my Wasm 32. Okay.
No, what was the question that you think I asked?
Can we run all binary file like a piece of code directly on Windows and Linux? Because after all, it's the lowest level. I mean,
no,
not really, because the binary is kind of different depending on the like.
Yeah, this OS platforms have different instructions, and also there's not a lot of things like. Technically, you could probably make a binary that could run on Windows and Linux, but it couldn't really do much because there's so much that's very OS specific, like reading files. So no.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
That's as soon as you start using some functions in your program that requires system calls, then you're fucked.
Yeah, which is basically always because what are you supposed to do otherwise?
Yeah. And then also it depends if you what kind of architecture you have on your CPU.
Yeah, like either you have the based one or you have the shit one that is slow and ugly and used in phones.
Or you run a 8-bit architecture, which is pretty gangsta.
Oh yeah, then you're screwed.
But the answer is no to your... Well, mainly no. There are exceptions, which is if you don't do any system calls. Is there another reason why you couldn't run a binary on one system compared to another?
Well, some CPU instructions, but I think a lot of them share same things. So
yeah.
Nah, I don't think there's anything else on that.
How does it work? Sys calls, because when you do... memory allocations, right? How does...
Yes.
That is also like specific for the...
That's specific, yes.
Yeah, but how is it when you
Because
get...
of how memory is made.
When you get the stack? That is...
When you get the stack.
Yeah, because you need to create a stack for the program. Does it... Is that system in...
Well, no, it's not system independent. Like the thing with stack is it's just heap, but like it's like an arena allocator. That's just it. I think a lot of OS platforms probably like ask like hey, how big is your stack size or whatever, and then you give it to it, and then it like does stuff. But I'm not sure. But yeah, you'll have to talk to an OS anyways. So
Well,
yeah.
I guess it's somewhere. I don't know how that works. It has to be encoded somewhere in the file how much data it needs for a stack, and then the operating system just take care of that using its own method. So I guess it's system independent. Because you don't call a malloc in the beginning of your file like yourself manually.
I think you actually might do like the language or assembly does it. Actually,
See,
but I'm not sure.
wait,
Like
all the
heap
code
and
is-
stack are just like their concepts.
all the code is converted into binary at last, no matter the programming language. Yes, that is true. Like, well, how does if you run through the I mean anything that is stored on your computer is stored in ones and zeros. So you could say that your text file is stored in binary. But I don't know if that's actually a appropriate wording for it. Hey Lucas, I was watching the Apple event. Nice. I wasn't. But yeah, like, how is it? But if you just consider like actual binary files that just send instructions to the CPU, would how does the Java virtual machine work? JVM.
Well, it's kind of like it does the exact same thing, but instead of sending it to the CPU, it sends it to the JVM, like the Java runtime.
But they have like
And then
bytecode.
that is like a pretend CPU.
It's
Yes,
like,
bytecode.
but
It's like their own kind of like semi-high level.
Yeah, but is bytecode still like bit instructions, or why is it called bytecode?
Because it's basically like just a bunch of bytes. Like it's not like LLVMIR or anything. It's just bytes, kind of like WASM. WASM in the end is just
okay.
a bunch of bytes that get like read. Like it's a lot faster than using something like Python that you have to run through and tokenize and like do the AST and all of this every time. Because bytecode is like exactly the instructions.
But why can't we send
But it's
direct instructions to CPU? I mean, it's just 0 and 1s.
You could, but nothing would happen.
You would crash. You need to.
I mean, probably.
That's kind of.
And OS would just kill it.
Yeah, like. I think it's beyond what my mind can understand right now, Lamau. I mean.
What you gotta know is that the code, like the bytes, are not compatible, because the OS expects very specific codes, like 10011110. Just prove me about that. And then the like Java thing is basically like 0001110011, and that gets converted. That kind of that's
I think
it.
there is
It's
like.
Yeah.
Let's see where. Okay, let's see. x86 instruction set there. Well, they have it in opcode. They don't. I would like to see them in binary.
See what's in my there?
No. Not binary. They usually have also something about it refers to. I mean, if you were to try to make your own computer,
Oh.
then you
Oh,
would
you want the instruction set for... Oh, there's like 3,000 things.
Yeah. There's so many. There is actually like a
Yes.
very good, if you want, wait, there is enhanced programming. Enhanced programming, is it this one? Let's see, maybe it's not that one. What is his name? Roblox got banned in Algeria. What the fuck? Oh, it is this one. Table of content, here. This one is really good. You probably would have to subscribe, but they
Subscribe. No, you edit HTML, bro. You're a programmer.
This one is really good. It talks about the CPU architecture and how it reads the ones and zeros and understands what instructions to do and how memory works, and it's in C, and it compares how you can optimize your code and compares it against Python, and it's crazy. Like they showed like when you run the interpreter for Python, it takes 200 instructions to do a add. In C, it's literally one.
That's like Lucas.
So, very fun to look at. I recommend that. Can you link it? Oh yeah, I can link it there as well. Learning out on tech is my hobby, but I don't understand the instruction set and that kind of stuff till now. I think I'll learn in college.
No one.
I think maybe you learn it in college, but if you want to learn it now, I would say it's the best time to learn it if you're interested. That's the best time to learn stuff when you have like that kind of intuition or drive to go for something and don't think about when is the optimal time, because the optimal time will never come. That I'm telling you. Just when you have the feeling, then do it. Or if there's something you want to start but don't think it's the right time, then you should start it now. Thanks. How's the stream overlay game works? It's just a Twitch and YouTube. I've just used the Twitch and YouTube API for a a Unity project that runs with a green background, which I then just run in the background of this whole thing, and then I just green screen it. Thank you for your knowledge, Lucas, because the main focus is G for now. What is GEE?
GEE.
Yeah. GEE.
Good question.
Joint and entrance examination. Yee.
Ah, yes.
It's the Yee meme, you know. Wait, with the fucking dinosaur. Wait, where is it? No. I'm so distracted right now. This is not what I should be doing. What the fuck? There! Yee! One of the most hardest exams, lol. Ah, okay. That's good, that's good.
No, it's
Yeah.
this stupid dinosaur Lucas found on the internet.
Yeah, it's that stupid dinosaur, I'm telling you, bro. You got it all wrong. Yeah, I'm also focusing right now on university math and physics. That's why I'm gonna start streaming like just 1 hour a day minimum. Because I still want to stream daily and try to do work on this thing because I find it pretty cool. And yeah, but let's see. I need to focus on maths and physics because that's fucking cool. There's during the OpenXR Vulkan project, I just realized how much I suck at basic rotation math stuff. I was like, I need to learn this
Everyone
shit.
else.
And I think also I would like to try to do a physics engine or something like that. I don't know. And I just need to learn more physics and math then, you know. Okay, where was we? We was over here. We went in. Then I tried to build. And it said that it might be because I still need to run that and overwrite the. Let's see, where was it? There. Let's do it again and take yes this time because. Fuck, that actually might fuck up my Arch Linux stuff. Wait. Sudo pacman -q rust. Yeah. And what was it? It said that there's a rust. No, rust. So let's just delete it from pacman rust. So R. Remove rust breaks dependency card required. Well, let's also take cargo. This might be a big yikers because I cannot do that because then. Let's see. Okay, I will not try that. The music it's not jamming right now. Let's see. Let's see. Somebody must have gotten this before, right? I don't think I'm the first one in the world. Web visitor gross is missing from the Wait, I have to run that? Did I say it? But I don't have rust up. Fuck. I'm just gonna run rust and see if that works. Shit. Wait, rust should work. Oh, this is stupid. I swear I run rust earlier, did I not? Okay, I did not. That's crazy, that's crazy. Let's see, Okay, you know what? Worst case scenario. Something will not run on my computer as well as it should. That's the worst case, you know? Worst case scenario, my computer shuts down. I don't think I have anything dependent that hardly on Rust. Like, the only thing I have, I think is something, I think it's either Waybar or something like that that is using Rust for me, so... Let's see, what is this? Welcome to Rust. If you don't install the official compiler for Rust language, it's package manager, cargo, Rust metadata and toolchain. Should be fine then to also remove. Installation. Proceed with standard installation. Yeah. Standard installation. And at the same time, I can probably go sudo pacman -r rust, and we can also do cargo. What this is a cargo audit, and then do you want to remove? Yes, because I think it will add them back in. Worst case, it won't work, and I will install them back for whatever that was using them. Like, I'm still alive, so it wasn't that bad. Wow, that's like so fast. Wow. 1 minute? What the hell? Alright, the countdown is going up. I think it's going the wrong way. It's 2 minutes now. Shit. Yeah. Lucas, you dead? No, I'm alive. Oh, you mean like...
You were dead.
How he probably went through the Twitch thingy or the overlay. No, look at me, I'm gonna come back. No, come back. Look at this, I'm coming back. I'm gonna beat your ass. Oh no. I hope I'm gonna beat your ass. Oh, get fucked. Have you started to edit that overlay video? No. I have just made the draft script. I mean the overlay project video. No. I have literally only made the draft script for the Vulkan OpenXR project. I haven't even started video editing that one yet. And I probably will not have time to do it until until I actually am on good track with maths and physics in university, which probably will not happen. So it will probably happen after 2 months. So towards Christmas, winter-ish, I will start doing video editing. Will I be in the video, Lama? I'm so curious. I don't remember if I have snippets of that, to be honest. I usually write down if people are involved. I try to. But maybe? I don't remember. Like my mind don't remember until I kind of just trying to have the things that I'm supposed to focus on in my mind. I don't remember anything else besides that. I don't even know when my birthday is. I don't know who I am. That's irrelevant information. I'm just trying to make something run. It's like... Let's see. So now I'm here. Let's try again. Space-time build. Error checking for the target. No such file director or... What? What? Okay, I'm just gonna start a new terminal. Why did you go over here? Bruh. No! Bruh. This is stupid. Okay. City projects. YT Zig. City. Extra chats. Yeah, let's try again. Okay. Okay, no worries. No, it's okay. I probably, I would like to have it earlier, but at the same time, I just really want to nail maths and physics. Because those two things are used everywhere. Like, when you try to make something cool, maths, not directly, you don't think about it, but it's still if you want to create an algorithm, or if you want to, if you're not gonna use something like Java where everything just comes with it, there's an array list and sorting algorithms and whatnot, you don't have to think about it. But as soon as you try to create your own stuff where you have to start doing these things, then it's it would be freaking nice if you knew some math. Okay. Let's see, we did the build. Then declare import. Space init should have a pre-populated source with a trivial module. Clear it out so we can write a new simple module, bare bone chat server to the top of server source librc. Okay, let's see. There should be a CRS. RC, what did I say? I'm not the smartest one in here, alright? So there, this is Rust. This is some crazy Rust. I should probably have a
Because
Rust.
if you're not the smartest, then am I the smartest?
Who else is in this
I
call?
don't think so.
Nah, fuck that. Molgan is the smartest.
Oh well. Yeah. What? No.
Molgan, don't you know Molgan? You know Molgan.
Morgan? No, you mean Morgan
No,
from Moomin.
this is not Spöket Molgan. Am I tripping? What is it called? This is not
Yes.
But why can I not find it?
Yeah, exactly.
This is Lilla Spöket Laban. Heter det faktiskt? Is it Laban?
Yeah, bro. What? What are you on, bro?
I don't know. T. But I thought it was Molgan for real.
No. What?
Who the fuck is Molgan?
I don't know who that is.
Who the
Bro's
fuck is
actually
Molgan?
schizophrenic.
Who the fuck is Molgan? I swear, my brain remembers Molgan. Let's see, I will get this. Rust for Visual Studio Code, powered by Rust language server, Rust analysis, private in its code, completion, navigation, formatting, and more. I think it sounds pretty good. I'm becoming a Rust developer right now, guys. Soon. Soon somebody will join this call and say, actually, that's not how you're supposed to do that. And then
Yeah, man. In Rust, that's even worse than Sig. Like in Sig, we tell you, and then we like, this can be improved. Here's some tips, and like some of us might be like a little bit mean. In Rust, everyone is like a furry who will taunt you and haunt you if you do like a slight thing wrong. Like if you use the wrong string type, and that's easy to do because there's like 50 billion different ones. Damn, bro, you're cooked.
Let's see, I don't know what...
That's like the main reason I don't want to use Rust, because of all the strings.
Yeah, learn math and physics. I want to see you make more of the complex project like that VR one. This one is actually gonna be more complex, I think.
Yeah, because you're gonna jam in a bunch of technologies into it.
Yeah, I think it's not as... The weird thing, like, you know, if I use an engine, I can get immediately a lot of fancy stuff on the screen. Then I go to Vulkan and OpenXR, you know, or just Vulkan, and then it's hard to get something on the screen. Then I go to OpenXR and it's using Vulkan, and then it's even harder. And now I go to this thing where I don't even have that, and it's like even more complex. But the lower I go, the less complex things seems to be, because they're like, but you just have a triangle, you know, like, but that triangle is freaking hard to get, you don't get it. Technologia. You know, Harold, you know what we should replace that lizard with?
Oh no.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
don't do it. No.
Where is
Bruh.
Where is it? There it is.
Technologia! Technologia! I shouldn't have. Technologia!
I have to have this thing. That would be freaking hilarious. Technologia. Let's see, can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? I accept all of the cookies. Take my cookies. Why don't you take my cookies? Reject them. Okay. Rejecting cookies works. Let's see. Where can I search for ad alert? Some video run. Yes, technology. There.
Technologia! Technologia!
Oh,
Technologia! Technologia! Technologia. Technologia.
What about this one?
Technologia. Technologia. Technologia.
I don't know, either this one
Technologia.
or this one.
Technologia. Technologia.
I think
Technologia.
this one is fine. I don't know, I like Sponge.
Technologia.
Oh, no, we will add. How many bits? We will do 125. Add and close. Oh, wait. Where did it go? Why is it here? Why is it not in... Ah, no, what? Use the grandpa one. Yeah. Why is it not in channel points? Why is it here in extensions? I have no idea why it's not here. I will just go here and add it again. We will have it twice. That's no problem. Technologia. I might reduce the volume slightly, but let's see. Technologia. Let's see. Oh.
Technologia. Technologia. Technologia.
Why did it not show the... Ah.
Technologia.
It doesn't have a video display? Ah, well that's sad. Let's see, what if I take this one? Oh, it doesn't have the... This one has the video. Man, that's sad. Ah, but this one has. Can I play it? Nah. This one could also work.
Technologia. Technologia. Technologia.
Yeah. Let's add this one. Reward with this style already exists. Brah! How do I remove it? Go away. Fantastic, I don't even... Ah, okay, there. It would probably like cover me, but that's fine. I think that's fine. Let's see.
Technologia. Technologia. Technologia.
Technologia. These things doesn't work for YouTube though, which is kind of sad. I should make another application that could run these things, like both, you could connect both YouTube and Twitch and just run these things. Imagine that, that would be freaking sick. But hey, we're supposed to do SpaceTimeDB. Technologia. Alright, so then this, we go in here, we replace that, and then here from we import. We import table reducer constant identity. What the fuck? Why is there like... I have no idea what the fuck these things are. How does it work for Twitch? Do we have to pay for it? Yes. You have to use bits. 250 bits. I think I could make this one a bit slightly cheaper because I think it just got added and it's a bit fun. Whenever I do something stupid, somebody could just go Technologia, which would be hilarious as hell. I will do it 125, 4, 5. There. Enjoy. Bit cheaper. Okay, it's 120. I don't care. Technologia. Let's see. Table macro used to define SpaceTimeDB tables, macro used to define SpaceTime reducers, a Rust trait which allows us to interact with tables, a special argument passed to each reducer, a unique identifier for each user, a point in time, specifically an unsigned 64-bit count millisecond since the Unix epoch. Okay. Define tables. To get our chat server running, we will need to store two kinds of data information about each user and record of all the messages that have been sent. For each user, we will store the identity and optional name they can set to identity themselves to other users. And whether they are online or not, we will designate. Bruh, I was like, what the fuck does this word mean? Designate the identity as our primary key, which enforces that it must be equipped, indexes it for faster lookup, and allows client to track updates. So we'll add this. I think at this point it's just better if I start doing it like that instead. I'm not doing anything in the terminal at the moment being, so why make it so freaking complicated? Okay, so we'll have table is equal to user, and then it's public. For each message we'll store identity of the user who sent, the timestamp when it was sent, and the text message. Okay. Add the table message. But wait, why is there... Okay. Sets username. We want to allow users to set their names because identity it's not terribly user friendly. To that effect, we define the reducer set name which clients can invoke to set their username. It will validate the caller's chosen name using function validate name. Intro will define the next. Then look up the user record for the caller and update it to the store the validated name. If the name fails to validate, the reducer will fail.
Technologia! Technologia!
Bruh, I should shorten it a little bit.
Technologia!
Oh my god.
Technologia! Technologia!
Oh my god. Okay,
Technologia!
fuck you.
Technologia!
No.
I have a plan, don't worry about it. I don't know how to modify it, so I'm just gonna do
Technologia! Technologia! Technologia!
It was this one, right?
Taking a larga.
What?
Too late.
Technologia! Technologia!
I will shorten it to this.
Technologia! Technologia!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Also because I have basically done 95% of GLFW in a binding for Zig in about 4 hours in total.
Sure. So now
Yeah,
there's
man.
Technologia again, but now it's just way shorter.
I don't have the money for it.
I have.
Technologia! Technologia!
Perfect. Okay. Bye, TC. See ya. Each reducer must accept as its first argument a reducer context, which includes the identity and the context ID, connection ID, of the client that called the reducer and the timestamp when it was invoked. It also allows us to access the DB, which is used to read and manipulate rows in our table. For now, we only need DB identity and CTX renderer. Sender. What? I'm so used to the graphic stuff. So sender. It's renderer. Anyways, it's also possible to call set name via the SpaceTimeDB CLI spacetime call command without a connection. in which case no user record will exist for the caller. We will return an error in this case, but you could alter the reducer to insert user row for the module owner. You will have to decide whether the module owner is always online or always offline though. Okay. So we'll take this. This is a reducer. And let's invoke this reducer to set their username. So here set name, validate name. We don't have that function yet. That comes from here. There's something weird going on there. Or is it supposed to be red? I think it's supposed to be red. Ah, fuck you, I know. Anyways. And then let's some user, context user, sender, it's context database user identity, update username, user, okay, cannot set the name for unknown user. Oh, so the sender is the, okay. And then validate name here, is must not be an empty, and then okay, well that's a crazy validation right there. Anyways, for now we will just do a bare minimum validation rejecting the empty name. You could extend it where it's like comparing against blacklist for moderation purpose, Unicode normalized name that contains non-printable character removing with placeholders, rejecting or truncating long names, rejecting duplicate names. If you put something bad, I'm too lazy to fix it, alright? Send messages. We define a reducer send message which client will call to send messages. It will validate the message text, then insert new messages record using StreamFIghter message insert with the sender identity and send timestamp taken from that reducer context. Because the message table does not have any columns with unique constants, it is infallible and does not return a result. Wait, what? Any columns with unique constraint. Okay. So send message. You send that. And then they have a validate message which just checks it cannot be empty. Which I think would still be quite fun if it was.
Okay, some water, baby.
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me. We'll want to validate message text in much the same way. Validate users chosen name as above. We'll do the bare minimum rejecting empty messages. You could extend the validation and validate message in a similar ways to validate name or checks and message like rejecting messages from sender who have set their name. Rate limit users so they don't send too quickly. Set users on lane status. My English just died. Whenever a client connects, the database will run a special reducer and annotate with connected. If it's defined by the convention it named client connected, we will create a user record for the client. If it doesn't yet exist, no set its line status. We'll use CTX to look user for now, CTX sender if one exists. If we find one, we'll use CTX user identity update to overwrite it with a row that online through. If not, we'll use to insert a new row for our new user. All three of these methods are generated by the table macro with rows and behavior based on the row attribute. Okay. Returns an option user because of the unique constraint for the primary key attribute. This means that there will be either 0 or 1 matching row. If you use try insert here, it will return result unique constraint violation because of the same unique constraint. However, because we are already checking if there is a user with the given sender identity, we know that this table will not fail. Therefore, we use insert with automatic unwraps the result, simplifying the code if we want to overwrite the user row. To do it using explicitly using update. Okay. Add the definition of the connect reducer. Okay, so this is some crazy stuff. There's a connected reducer Let some user. That's some keyword anyway. SpaceTimeDB user identity find sender, and then CTX user identity update. If it finds them, we'll update it.
back.
Welcome back. And else, then it will insert it. Okay. What is this? I cannot go to that sum. I wouldn't wonder what the fuck that is. What is sum in Rust? Do you know what sum means?
Oh no. Some is like optional, I think. No. Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Brother,
Yeah, but I'm not sure. Like my Rust knowledge does not go very deep.
Your Rust knowledge is quite rusty.
Yes.
Get him. So whenever a client disconnects, the database will run the reducer client disconnect. If it's defined by a convention, it's named to use online status of the user for. Okay. Let's take that. And let's see disconnect, and then it will update and put online to false. So here we put it to true when you connect it, but now we'll put it to false. Crazy. And if you disconnect somehow, but you're not in the database, well, that's quite impressive. Because that means you somehow skipped this part. Which, you know, how I write code, it's totally plausible. Start the server. If you haven't already started SpaceTimeDB, so run the start command and leave it running while you continue following. Publish the module. And that's all of our module code. Will run the spacetime publish to the compile our modules and publish to SpaceTimeDB. Spacetime publish takes an optional name, which will map to the database unique identity. Clients can connect either by the name identity, by names are but names are much more user-friendly if you like. Come up with a unique name that contains only URLs, safe characters, letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores, and fill it whenever written. Quick start chat. From the quick start chat, direct run another tab. Publish project path server quick start chat. Wait, from the quick start chat directory, run in another tab. What the fuck do you mean run in another tab? I don't know, I will see, I will figure it out. Now it seems to do this with command line call, so I'm gonna take it back. Wait, what the fuck? Over, where am I? Did I go crazy? I went crazy, okay. Now, let's try again. In the quick start, like so it got published. And then call reducer, you can use the command line to run reducer arguments. Okay, let's see, call quick chat send. Wow, send message hello. Warning, this command is unstable and is subject to breaking changes. That sounds like my code. Oh no, but let's see. Try fetching key. I don't know if it went through or if it did not. Bro, there's so many. Hey, what's up, MCC? School hitting, yeah. For me, I'm just studying maths and physics, but I really want to nail it because we have a great, we have great teachers, you know, our lecturers, and you know, I think I would just want to take advantage that once this thing is presented to me, like, just learn it. And I really want to learn maths and physics, like, for real now. I'm gonna do it, you know? So, I promise 1 hour of stream each day at minimum. At least 1 hour. But, more than that is, like, kind of if I have time, because I would like to dedicate as much time as possible just to study more math. I was thinking of maybe doing live streams on maths and physics when I study them, but I wouldn't be interacting as much because I just want to focus on doing the things. I don't know if I do the study streams, whatever they are called, you know. I think something is still wrong here. Once we call the send message reducer, we can check to make sure it by running logs command. Let's see. Oh no, look at that. There was actually a hello world being sent. Now that's crazy. You should now see output with, yeah, and there's the timestamp. Space supports subset of SQL syntax so that you can easily query the data of your database. If you can run, this is so cool. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, that's freaking cool. Oh wow, no way, no way. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, okay, that's horrible. But look at that. And this could be used live while a game is running. It's like it's a database, but at the same time, it's like it's game performance. Like you can literally have thousands of people doing game stuff, and at the same time you would record it into a freaking database. Oh my
No, you can have two people playing and the game is broken. Mess. Yes, exactly.
no, it's written in Rust. How could that be?
Hey, you know about Rust? There's a little thing called safety. It's fake. Because whenever Rust developers do anything actually usable, they do unsafe Rust. So, yeah. No, it doesn't work, it's unsafe, it's slow, and logic errors still happen.
That's crazy. Okay. Not that I really understood. No, well, I guess I understood still. Like, this is so cool. This is, like, I can... Like, we're starting to have, like, the puzzle pieces, kind of, and soon we will just connect these things, and, like, imagine, like, I will set up some hosts or whatnot, and then you guys can join in on this, and we can all just play this shitty game together, you know? Wait, let me just...
Lucas, about that, push this, and then you look on GitHub, on this project.
Well, just a sec. Let me just do Zig build run. Is my Rust Pro is gonna be now majority of my code gonna be Rust?
Not for real.
Imagine,
but
like even if I could get it just everyone is their own kind of like square, like I can already work with that, like, and then I could just start implementing features while everyone is playing, and like crazy, you know? I think it's fucking crazy. Like, this is gonna be awesome. I just don't see how everything will connect yet, but it will connect. That's the thing.
Lucas, what is this Rust code? Why is there send message? And what happened to the result? What is the type?
Send message? This just sends message to the database. And then you can subscribe to the
does not look right at all.
Well, it's something to do with SpaceTimeDB. I don't know how Rust is supposed to look like, to be honest.
Look in the result type. Like, why is there the like little angled bracket towards one direction? In the where is the curly brace? Oh, okay, it's just your... Okay, I see, I'm stupid. It's... Yeah.
It's beautiful. Let's change it to be another color. Can I do... What do we... Init opaque. Let's do that.
Rust is actually as if TypeScript and Zig had a baby.
Why can I not access init opaque from here? Oh, I have to do pixel init. Well, I can just do init. Can I not just do init opaque? I should be able to do this. Yeah, I should be able to do that. And let's see.
Are you gonna add Lua modding also to this thing? Like, you can mod the game with Lua, you know? And so we have another language on this biggest list. You know, let's use as many languages as possible.
Let's add Java.
Yeah, man, let's add some Java and like let's add a Python like wrapper, but it's also inside of the project somehow.
Why did this crash? Try game listen. Wait, that means this should. Why is this running? I think we have fucked our hot reloading. Where does it crash from? Lib. When did we fuck around with this shit? This code should not have been changed. Why is it fucked? Zig out lib here. That should still be fine. I should actually go to sleep because I'm early. Alright, MCC has to go and do homework. See ya.
It's also quite bad that the file watcher uses that file path, but it's like different sometimes.
It's fine for now. But why did it crash though? Config code, config, project, lib 79 here. Why did that try? Wait. This has never crashed before. Why would it crash now? Or has something changed in this code snippet? I'm just gonna leak see what that does. And then I'm gonna do a xff. Now that also crashes the thing. Why?
Maybe it's to do with like I don't think it's the inside of lib that is the issue. I think it's maybe the runtime or platform, whatever it's called. Like in the where we listen, because we got to also reload all the functions, you know.
But doesn't it reload? Where does it reload the functions from? Here, look up.
It's in the platform. You'll say because the lib listen returns a boolean, which is if it should
Okay.
like is it a bool to say that
Try
it listened.
listen update. Okay, but it's game. And where's game? Oh, it's equal
Yeah,
to
there's a
init.
lot of missing things here.
It's not updating the game, is it?
No, it's not. It's just getting the functions.
Ah, shit.
But like, don't you have more functions like than just those two?
I don't
Like you
know.
have to also add the like process input. No, go back to the platform.
Wait, let me put this in order so I can read these things. All right.
Yeah. Your Twitch stream is like slightly delayed, which is annoying, but all. Like here, don't we have more functions than just update and draw?
No, this is what we got here.
Yeah, I know, but like, are those all the functions that we have in the
update
actual...
and draw is the only function calls that we have to the application. Yeah.
What happened to process input?
We put it in the update.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Where it belongs.
But we do not do anything else with. We do not update. Wait, but what do we need to? The game says that I'm just gonna look up. Can I go to the init here? And then it's gonna take in self, and then it's gonna use self din. But dinlib does get a new. So it crashes here when it tries to. It's here, it's crashing. Is the lib path wrong? Oh, could it be? Nah, it cannot be that lib path is wrong. Is it?
But why are we catching and breaking block
I don't know.
in the listen?
If
Yeah, why?
we yeah, because here we want yeah, because here if it how was it if it breaks, why was it there was some reason that we had this. Try listen, and then if it's true, then we want to close this one, then we want to add the new one. We should break it either way. Why are we even trying to do this? Why not just if this... Shouldn't this one be included in... We just want to add this if it succeeds. Why is it adding this every single time the loop is being called? That's... No wait, the loop is here. I have no idea. But that's only if it fails. It was something... Yeah, if it can't open this thing. Oh wait, I used to have a TMP, didn't I? Where did it temporarily go? Has somebody changed this since... Bruh, I need to go back and check this. I should be going to sleep, but let's fix this. Let's see, commits. Let's go back to here. And let's just see the full... Can I just see the whole structure, how it looked like back then? I should be able to see all of the files. Browse files there. Sources. Game. Oh no, main there. And then lib close. No, that was pretty much it. But I did not add... No, wait, I did add it here. So why is it wrong? Where do I assign this? It has to be failing trying to open this thing. That's weird because self.libpath should be fine. Because that's what we did use the last time, so why wouldn't it right now work? That's stupid that it doesn't work. Hello. Let's see, is it another one who's just gonna say that? Ah. Why would this not work? I'm just gonna do a debug log path. It's a string, and I'm gonna do self dot file path. Let's see. Let's see where. What the fuck? Well, that path is freaking cursed. that ain't right.
What is the path?
Some weird ass. Unless if. Wait, I'm gonna try to.
Wait, what is the path though? Wait.
Why did it not? Wait.
Tecnologia!
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 This. Why can I not? Oh wait, I have to do dot question mark, right? So here you can see the path is Zig out, right? This is a valid path, but let's close this and let's put it in here. So now it will print that every time. See, that path is incorrect. Something got wrong. Something got fucked up.
Nah, man, that looks about right. That's good path.
Something fucked the path. Let's see. I'll try again. Bruh, I was too slow. Where am I? Why is it now reacting to that? Okay, that's crazy. Let's see. So first time it was correct, and then it just fucked up already after. Oh wait. Oh wait. Do I still have to go? Like, nah. No. It should. Oh my god, don't tell me that. How do we allocate this? Do we even allocate this path? Harold?
Yes, kinda. Well, we're using a buffer.
So it's not. And this is a. So we don't own that memory that is returned from this thing.
No.
Okay, well then it makes sense. Ah! Should we pass in an allocator, or should we just? Is there a smarter way to do it? I think we must pass in an allocator.
Well, you can also just pass the buffer and we can just reuse it. Right? Just like reusing it every time.
But this one is okay. Wait, we can do it better. I don't know if this is legal. Okay. No, wait, because we don't have the instance yet. Ah, fuck. I was thinking of using, you know, the instance itself, and then assigning it to this. That might work, but we don't have the instance yet. We return this, and then the instance gets created on the stack. So all of the information here that happens before it, well, it's on the stack, yes, but as soon as we are done from the init...
Wait, but there's an easy solution though. There's an easy solution.
Yeah, there is.
Trust me, bro. Yeah, okay, so you see the buffer. Take the type. You see the like SD, FS max, path byte stuff.
This thing?
Well, I don't know, yours to be kind of late, but yeah. Like, we can just assign, like, or can...
Like, we could make...
Yeah, I'm like thinking if we...
We could make the
make
path
the
a
part-
specific...
Yeah, make the path a specific len.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then just copy straight over the information, which would be cursed as
You could
fuck.
also have it null terminated, you know,
I could.
in that case. And then we... Well, now we don't actually have to, because we know the actual length with the std max path bytes, so nah. But it's like, delete path, remove the const u8 and just put it to u8 and put the std max path bytes inside of that.
But I don't... Ah... How big is this anyways?
That's a good question. I don't know.
That looks like it's hey, what the fuck, 8 bytes? Sure, let's go with it. Okay,
Yeah, why not?
let's just do that. And then I could just say, can I?
We can use the mem copy.
Yeah, here. Wait, how do I? Because I need to.
I think we're gonna have to assign it to like a constant before, and then do some stuff to it, and then return it.
Yes.
Yeah.
We could, like, you mean outside from the main platform, would have to deal with that then.
No. You don't have like the return. You don't have to return exactly then. Like you can create the thing before and then return it.
Oh, you mean like here I could do? No, wait. But how do I? What? But how do I?
No. You make like a constant called self equals the at this, and you initialize it, and then you can do like mem copy on the lib path of it, and then you can return it.
But doesn't this self exist just within this scope as well?
No. Because return works fine on data, but not pointers, because the pointers data that gets like dereferenced, you know, but the data that you return, that is alive.
Okay.
Just try to remember about that, okay?
And then I do a mem copy on this thing.
You don't have to put it undefined.
Wait, I'm just.
You can put
quickly
it.
just
You can
get the
initialize it.
IntelliSense. And then I take the
Okay.
source, which is at this. It's the lib path, right?
No, that's the destination.
No. Destination is where I want it to be. The source is from where I want to copy it. Type U8 is not
No.
indexable pointer.
Oh yeah, no, I just read it wrong. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my bad.
Do I have to make it into us like, was it like this?
Don't at on the lib path.
At? On lib.
No,
Hello,
at
Yacho.
on lib path dot question mark.
What? A at?
Okay, there's actually yeah, like at, you know, the
Shouldn't that be
ampersand. I mean,
ampersand? Ah. But that doesn't make it. You mean this thing?
that's
Can I
wait.
copy constant
Your stream is so
pointer?
delayed. Okay, no. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna send you some code.
I'm gonna fix this in the meantime. Self dot.
I sent you the code.
Alright. Wait, why can I not just get the dot? Whatever, I will just type it path.
Just shit intelligence. What can you say?
Yeah, exactly. Alright.
You can just do lib path equals undefined. Yeah, but look at the code I sent you on Discord. You can do the like brackets like 0 dot s3fs staffing, you know.
For this one? That's
Yes.
crazy. And why did you not get? I'm just rage baiting a tiny bit, bro. Cannot copy constant
It's
to
tiny.
pointer. You need a self to be var in order to memset one of its fields.
Yeah. Make self var. Yeah, bro. Oh, bruh.
That's force of
Okay,
habit,
you are actually
right?
rage baiting.
Actual rage bait. And then we can just return the thing self.
Self.
Okay.
Oh damn, your stream is like 20 seconds behind.
Array literally requires address of operator to slice const u8. But this is not, what the fuck? This is not a const anymore. Why is this thing now? Array literal requires address of ampersand. So wait.
Use the ampersand.
But why-
Ampersand on a string is kind of like casting it.
But why would it say const? Because it's not a. Oh wait, but.
Don't think about it. Just do it.
Init is not happy now. Let's see. Debug. Here. Panic index out of bound. Index len is 22. Right. That's just the max, but we want to use the actual len. Do I just take... Can I take the len of libpath? Why would I do this anyways?
Well, we want it to be null terminated also. Somehow. Or we can store the actual lane of the actual libpath and not just the buffer. You know.
Source and destination would have non-equal lengths, right?
Oh yeah, true.
Well, we could also
You actually can just do libpath 0 dot dot. You don't actually have to do the thing after that. Please remove. My eyes hurt from that.
Can I?
Oh man, you're struggling hard, and it's like in the past. Damn.
Why not just watching the Discord stream?
There is none.
There is no Discord, brother.
There
why?
hasn't.
What
There
the
hasn't
fuck?
been one for like 10 years.
Since when did this happen?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna take the lead path. Why did we go to listen? What the fuck? Lead path dot question mark that len. Look at this. This is gonna work crazy, right? It's still wrong though.
Yeah, it's because when we try to read it, we read the entire buffer. So we probably want to store the libpath len also.
Doesn't it try to read the null term? Yeah, it's correct though, except for this part. But isn't it null terminated?
Yeah. No, it's not. No, it's not null terminated. Okay, so solution is to change libpath, that field, to just call it like libpath buffer.
This whole thing. Can we just?
Yeah, rename that.
Can I just don't do that?
And then we can store it. You can, but that's gonna null terminate the entire buffer.
Well, that's
okay,
fine.
You want to null terminate it? Okay, there's what? No, it's gonna be the exact same thing, bro.
What the fuck? Why? Doesn't this...
Because the buffer is a piece of memory. There's a solution. Okay, remove the stupid 0 thing that you added. Okay, and now in the like time print thing, you see that? Yeah.
Time print.
We.
The fuck, where?
You see the lib. Well, actually no. Go to the buffer print here. You see where your mouse is like on. You like the like buffer, and the const path equals try std fmt buff print.
Yeah.
You know. Yes, in the like fmt field or like the string, add a null terminator to the end of that.
To this thing here.
Yes.
How the fuck do you do that?
It's 0.
No.
No, like the slash. And then 0. It's like maybe 0x0. I don't know.
No.
You Google or ask ChatGPT. It's gonna give you about.
Thank you, Vachio. They provided with the backslash like that. Yeah.
Okay, great. And now, when we want to use it, we do .ptr on the thing, and then it will not know the len. So then it's gonna be like, okay, we don't know the len, so we're gonna try to null terminate this thing.
So like here, .ptr.
Yes.
That's no name PTR.
Okay, remove the .ptr and just try to get it anyways. Okay.
That was.
No. Okay. You have to do the bracket 0 ... and then do the PTR.
Ah, so you mean like 0.ptr. Ah, okay. Expected type conjugate found. Also pointer cast.
Oh. uh, well, you can try, I guess.
Let's see. Cannot infer length of slice from many pointers. Mitä vittua? Okay, this is crazy. Oops. This is a many items pointer function even at runtime.
Wait. There is one called .open_sed. Use that one instead of open.
Open set.
For this one. Yeah, because that uses a null terminated string.
Struct down has no member named open set.
It's an uppercase set.
Ah. I cannot type set. Cannot.
So that's like slightly closer.
Ah. I just need it to be const.
It sounds like a const cast, am I right?
Oh my god, and then it needs to have the null terminate.
This is so ugly.
At this point, I think it's just better to pass in that fucking allocator.
Or to just store the len, you know, or something. I don't know.
How would a len help?
Or allocator.
Expected type.
I don't know.
This sucks ass. Big sucky.
Wait. I know. After the .ptr, do bracket 0 ...
You're kidding. Like that? Expected type found. It still says.
Oh, what? It still says.
This is stupid.
Ask shit GPT to fix it or something.
Why do we need null terminate here? Why not use dinlid open on slice? Why not just use dinlid open on slice? Well, because if we do that, it's gonna. Yeah, we need to pass the address because otherwise we get this. So we need to pass the address, and then when we pass the address and we run the thing, right? We need to remove that one, like so, and then we run it. Like it's fine, except for that we don't want these extra bytes, you know. We just want this. So that's kind of.
But if we know the length of that, you know.
So you mean just storing a? Well, we can do it quickly. We can just say. I'm just gonna.
It's called len.
Yeah.
U size. U size.
U size. Damn. It can maximum be 4,000. Oh, or we do it. Can I take this one? Get that one somehow? I don't know. U size, whatever.
No, what? We have to. It's like when you index in Zig, the type it expects to be like indexing is U size. So if you use anything else, you're gonna have to do shitty casting for your entire life.
I love shitty casting for my entire life. Why can I not get the lib pad, bruh? Anyways. Len. There. Boom. Now,
This is so scuffed.
now I got the len. How about that?
Yes, and now you can do the like brackets on lib path when you want to open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you do 0 dot dot self dot len. And you gotta put that in parentheses.
Well,
Yeah. No.
What do I need to
What?
do?
Okay. Oh, no, it ran.
It's
So
still
it
the
should be
same
fine.
issue. That's interesting though.
Yeah, I know.
Shouldn't it take just the slice that you provided? Like, I don't want the rest of this garbage. Because by addressing the array, you address the entire array. You can take the slice by using array. We cannot do that because the len will take the len of the entire slice, which is this, which is 4000. What is it? 4089? What is it? I don't remember. But 89. That sounds wrong. 86. 96. 96. Which it still does, oddly enough, with this. I don't know, self.len, let's see. It says that len is 22, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's probably that. Anyways, why is it not then when I say... Oh wait, but bruh, that's the print, I'm stupid. The print is not the same as the...
Oh, bruh.
Now it will show the same thing. Look at that. So,
Great. Although this is like super usable and nice to use, isn't it?
yeah, well, it will work. That's the thing. So now, if you go in here and we change this note back to XFF and we save that, now it works. Now we got hot reloading back and working crazy.
Okay, can we please fix the naming now? Go to lib.sig, please.
The naming?
etc. Go to lib.sig, the file.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to the top of this struct.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I want you to put the len beneath the lib path. Okay, and now I want you to press, like, select lib path. And then you press F2. And then you rename it to libpath underscore buffer, yeah. And then you rename len to libpath
Wow,
len.
that's crazy. It almost worked.
But that's for a constant, bro. Just,
Wait,
that's not the same thing.
Okay, okay, what do you want then?
Yeah. The len should be called libpath len. Yes, way better.
We don't need that print anymore. And then I can go in here and I can do...
Can we maybe print how, like, when it reloads the thing so we can see if it, like, spams it or not? Like, just, like, print reload or something.
I guess.
In glib.
I'm just having fun right now with this. It should update the speed. I guess I'm not running watch, so it's not always understanding that. Yeah, wait, it's actually no, wait, sig build -- watch. Why did it not catch that I changed? Okay, now it caught it. I don't know, weird. Anyways, you wanted to say, like, we would say that, hey, you know, yo, bro, like, here, reloaded.
Yeah, in, like, this if statement.
Reloaded. Or reloaded dynamically. Lib. And then I'm just gonna steal this information so you can see that it's happened. So now we can go here. And let's see, I can say game. Oh, it reloaded a few times.
A few times, you think?
Yeah. But that's okay. Oops.
Not very good though, but well.
It's a small issue. Look at that. Wow! And then we can make ourselves go crazy fast.
And break the game.
No, we cannot break the game because we have bound check that we don't do. Weird shit.
You wrapped it down.
Actually, I didn't. It was cheesecake.
Oh, okay, that explains it.
Okay, let's push
Yeah,
this thing.
Lucas would never do that.
Nah, I would add safety checking. Doesn't sound like me.
Yeah, no.
Add a test for SpaceTimeDB and fix the.
And injected more shit into the app. More Rust. DNY, yes.
Shut up. XD.
Exactly.
Wait, which branch did I push on? Fuck, I pushed on Wasm branch. Fuck, whatever, doesn't matter. I will delete.
Basically, what's up?
Basically, Wasm. The Wasm 2.
The branch names here are so logical.
But they are though. They are. Trust me, brother. Trust me.
They are not.
Shut.
There's like no formatting of any kind that is like actually good, and like naming convention is shit as usual.
I need to practice that. Someday I will get it right. I was supposed to be 1 hour live. I have been almost 2 hours live. That's
2 live hours.
2 live hours.
You spent 40 minutes on like this shit.
But I think it's a pretty good accomplishment that we got SpaceTimeDB up and running already, and it's not something.
I don't even know how you managed to accomplish this, but bro should get paid more.
I wish I was getting paid.
I mean, you're getting paid like $1.
For 400 hours of live stream.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like a good deal.
If that ain't good,
Yo.
I don't know what is.
Yo, T-Chef.
Yo, T-Chef, what's up? How is our favorite chef?
Is he cooking?
Is our favorite chef
I'm actually
cooking?
I have one set still to do in my pool training,
Yeah.
and I can't do it anymore. I'm so
Bro,
dead.
go to sleep.
Go bed.
No. But how's the project going?
Oh, we got SpaceTimeDB and we fixed the dynamic library a 5th time.
AKA he injected yet another language into this shit. He now has Rust in this.
Yeah, we got
Oh
Rust.
hell no!
Rust, TypeScript, Zig, what's next? Python? All of Lucas's favorite languages.
Shader Lab.
Oh, yeah, when the shader lab coming? Lucas, when are we gonna make our own shading language to have in this project?
Bruh. Like, guys, I know
Also,
I'm
when is
crazy, but I'm
the-
not that crazy.
Lucas, when are we writing a platform for Python? Oh wait, no, when is Scratch platform coming?
Oh, Scratch.
But wait, Wait, you add Rust? You added Rust because of SpaceDB, because it only
Yeah.
has Rust and
Yeah.
C#, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I have already done Python, and I'm not going back to that. Back in the days, September 20th, 2024. There.
I know you have a video on it.
How the fuck is it more HTML than
HTML?
Python?
Yeah, nice Python project you got there.
It's by HTML
Python.
project. I should read it with HTML defend instead of PyDefend. What the fuck?
You know, probably the game is like a Python one-liner.
Yeah,
actually,
man,
it's
he's
one line.
thinking it.
I don't know, guys. It's just more Python, more HTML, and my Git commits are fucking amazing. More.
Lucas, were you writing Python because you could, or because you didn't know anything else?
It was because we were learning Python in school and I was like, I need to learn how to write Python.
Ah, damn.
Now what's funny? Your Python project has the, I think, exact number of commits that Blavi has right now.
Blavia has only 28 commits? Bro, what the fuck? That's nothing. You need to get
Lucas,
this...
not everyone is trying to farm commits.
You, no...
Like, Lucas, I had a commit today that was like 500 lines of code.
Points to get back to. You should be committing as soon as you have some small thing implemented so you can go back to it, revert back in.
I only get one commit like every 300 lines in work, and like if I add stuff, it's like I guess like 2 hours of work, and then if it works, and I push it.
Why is it private? Yeah, you guys, nobody's touching my fucking HTML project, alright?
Oh yeah, for real.
Anyway.
But like, go to Zig Game, and just look at languages, please.
I looked at it, but it looks fire. Not gonna lie, like it's a little bit random, but
It's a bit random. But,
And I'm a contributor to this trash.
but the majority is still good, you know?
I mean, I did help write a Discord bot in TypeScript, so I guess it could be worse.
why didn't Han contribute yet?
What?
Why didn't Hans contribute yet?
It's too good.
He is on Mac OS, and he is also like kind of, he enjoys watching me suffer more than he enjoys writing commits, so that's why. No, but he says
The manager.
he also thinks that it's just such a small scale right now that there's no point for him to just get in and mess around. So maybe when it gets like a little bit where we can distribute. So then.
As soon as he works on it, he's like, oh yeah, I added like ray tracing overnight, by the way.
True. Alright, but I think I'm gonna go sleep so I can wake up early in the morning for university again and continue doing maths and shit. And then I will be live again for at least 1 hour. Alright.